Acting on a complaint lodged by residents, the Nyotrab Integrated Territorial Organization Hito, Shillong City Unit, in coordination with its Maulai Circle, mounted an inspection drive at the Birla House in Risa Colony on the 19th of November 2025 over suspected illegal employment of out-of-state laborers. During the spot inspection, the team reportedly detected a sizable number of non-local workers lacking mandatory identification and employment documents. Following the verification exercise, Hito members said the undocumented individuals were pushed back to their respective states as part of the organization's enforcement action.
Ini
179 days.
Oh, kalau lah mention nang niru, maka til lah til edit lah ong hado. Ke issue date lah mention, but ke expiry date lah mention nang niru. Kami terkinkut lah. Lah ada mention nang niru. Lah pencet ini sih, ini yang tadi. Okay. Ngim taksi nak Hito Shillong City hajung dan kat Maulai Circle ni yak foi ke isu nang na Birla House wa jingbuan plat ki non tribal ki wan treh ni kantam ki tribal ki kasih garo jongi kat ni jing jarkam ki mio ban belang ni te hadian pengiwan cek ni nak foi kini ka Birla House hadian pengilang arung siapa ke ngilap babon ki non tribal kantam ki muslim kimdan police verification ruk kimdan ke kot selai bobiang ruk kimdan ke labor license ruk ki sang berkisu apply dari kala kut aduk menah te hadian bangi yak rekod nang ni tinggal aduk dia kenduk kita ki manager kerai ki mungkin penbiang dari ki bom dan kot tinggal penmi no swa makin lek pai shalai yang shalai